I am on a mission to find the best investing platforms, which is why I'm doing a series of reviews of the most popular platforms for investors right now. Welcome back guys, Nathan here, and in this video we're going to be doing a full review of Etoro. The company operates in over 140 countries, so this video should be relevant to everybody watching. I'm going to be sharing with you all the good points of the company, but even more important, all the things that the company and other YouTube reviewers are probably not telling you. As always, if you find anything in this video useful, be sure to click that like button. That would be much appreciated, and every like does help. So, is Etoro the platform that we should all be using, or would we be wasting our time? Unfortunately, I did make a discovery in my research which I'll be sharing at the end of this video, but for now, Etoro, let's check it out. Okay, so here is what we've got coming up. We're first going to define what the ideal investing platform looks like. Then we have something to benchmark against. We'll then take a look at a snapshot of Etoro as a business. I'll then give you a tour of the investing platform so you can see what it looks like from the inside. I'll then take you to the fees page and we'll talk through all the different kinds of fees so we get full transparency on that. And then I'll bring it all together and we'll see how Etoro did against our initial criteria. Firstly, a quick disclaimer.
This video is for education purposes only. You should seek investment advice from a registered professional before making any investment decision. This video is not responsible for any investment actions taken by its viewers.
First up, what does the ideal investing platform look like? So I've created a list of criteria, and this is the gold standard. Firstly, whole of market. Ideally, we'd want to buy all our financial products from one place. Stocks, bonds, ETFs, mutual funds, cryptocurrencies, all from one place. In 2020, you can't quite yet do that, but that would be ideal. Next is your money. Is it insured? So the last thing you want to do is build up a really big portfolio only for the business to go out of business and you lose all of your capital. Not good. In the UK, it's typically insured up to about £85,000. The US-based companies will insure up to $500,000. So this is the gold standard. Next, tax efficient. So every country has got its own tax wrapper. In the UK, it's called an ISA. In America, it's the Roth IRA. And this way you can grow your investments, but you don't have to pay capital gains tax at the end. So ideally, this is the way we'd do it. Fees. There's all different kinds of fees. You got buying fees, selling fees, platform fees, inactivity fees, foreign exchange fees. So we always want to take a look at the fees. Are they acceptable? We do understand that companies do need to make money. We just don't want to be overcharged. User experience. Is it easy to register? Is it easy to navigate around the website or the app? Can you buy and sell and manage your portfolio easily? Fractional shares is becoming more and more common. Shares like Amazon are $3,000 per share. So obviously we don't want to do that every time we want to buy a share. We want to buy £100 of Amazon and etc. So fractional shares are always good. Can you transfer your portfolio in or out of the platform? Over the years, if you've built a big investment portfolio and you want to move it to another company, how easy is it to do that? A lot of platforms don't offer this, and what you'll have to do is sell your entire portfolio. You'll have to pay capital gains tax on anything that you've made, and then when you move to another platform, you've got to buy it all again, and obviously that costs money too. So the bigger companies in general let you transfer portfolios to other companies. Customer service, obviously if you've got any problems, any issues, how quick are they at getting these resolved? And the last one is a refer the friend program. So a lot of companies will give incentives to you and to the friends that you refer for using the platform. A lot of times this could be free stocks with companies or a money incentive, as we all like free stuff, right? Okay, moving on to a little bit about Etoro. Etoro was founded in 2007, so for a fintech company, this is quite old now. and they classify themselves as a social trading platform. And I'll show you a little bit about that later on. It's in 140 countries, so it caters for people all around the world, which is great. They currently have about 11 million users, so it's not a small company. They offer stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrency. This is one of the few places that actually do this. So their range of products is really, really good. They also are a CFD platform, a contract for difference. So you can also do Forex trading, commodities trading, and use leverage on your positions. They do offer 0% commission on buying stocks and ETFs, which is great. They have a unique feature called Copy Trader, where you can actually copy successful traders or copy portfolios, and I'll show you that in a second. And just know the minimum deposit is $50, typically when you want to buy things or fund your account. So let's take a look at the back end of eToro. So this is what eToro looks like from the inside, and I'll take you through the various points. So across the bottom, you've got your money that you've been deposited, the total that's been invested, how much profit you've made, and your current equity. On the left-hand side, this is where you can bookmark a watch list. And the great thing is here is the range of market. So from this platform, you can buy gold, you can buy GLD, so the most popular gold ETF. You got silver and SLV. You've got Triple Q, which is a great ETF. You've got all the popular stocks, Tesla. You can even buy oil. On what investment platforms or apps are you able to buy oil as a commodity? And you've got a range of cryptocurrencies. So these are the ones that I've bookmarked, and these are really hard to find on other platforms. So the range of products is excellent. You've then got the portfolio tab. So you can see I did actually use this back in the day to buy some cryptocurrencies. This is what I've currently got. It is a social platform, so they've got a news feed like you would see on things like Facebook. So there's people posting comments on the various different trades, and you can like, comment, and share. So this is a social platform. I actually don't use this really as a social platform, but it is there. Two of their key selling points, which they like to talk about. Well, firstly, there's the trade markets tab. So this is another way where you can find the different things to trade. But it's the copy people. So there's lots of different investors on here. There's the most copied people. So this guy's made 76% over the last 12 months. And you're able to take a look at his portfolio and click copy. And it'll buy the same investments. So you can ideally get the same return. And you've also got complete portfolios. So you can also copy entire portfolios as well. It could be a renewable energy portfolio or a gaming portfolio. I don't use these copy portfolio tabs just because I just find it a bit risky. Just because this guy's made 80% in the last year doesn't mean he's going to do that every year. So I'd much rather copy huge, big, successful investors than individuals on eToro. So I just wanted to point these out, but I don't really use them. You've just got the generic stuff, invite friends, but with no incentive. You can withdraw your funds or you can deposit funds. As mentioned, it's very easy to deposit money, but the minimum is $50 or £40, and you can do it through a card, and it literally will take a few seconds. Looking at the portfolio, these are the things that's going on, and you've got some different views as well. You can look at all the individual different trades that you've done that are currently open. You can see your full portfolio. You can see mine is 100% cryptocurrency at present in this account. Or you can see a snapshot, and you can see how many units you own, what you bought it at, how much you have, what you initially invested, your profit and loss in dollar amount or as a percentage, its current value, and then the flashing lights is just people buying and selling. And if you want to buy or sell, you just click on the buy, brings you this tab, and it's super simple. Just choose the amount you want to buy and sell. You can set a stop loss or a take profit if you want, and you literally just click the button, and it's that simple. But because it's also a CFD platform, you can use leverage. So if you start to use leverage, the cryptocurrency used to be CFD, but now you actually own the asset. unless you use leverage, and then it becomes a CFD trade. So super easy to use. So let's talk about the fees of eToro. So the good thing is that it's zero commission on stocks. No markup, ticketing or stamp duty, which is great. There's no account fees either, which is a very common type of fee. And then they've broken it down into categories. So for stocks and ETFs, it's no commission. So that's really, really good. Crypto, it depends on which one you're buying. So you can see the list of cryptos that they offer and then how much they will be charging. So for Bitcoin, it's 0.75. So this is really, really low. This is great. Remember, Coinbase the other day was charging 4%. So it depends on the crypto you're buying, but in general, these are really low for crypto, which is great. CFD, you're going to be paying in bips. So this is basis points. So you can see currencies, commodities, indices is a bit more, but in general, the fees are very, very low, which is great. And then any other fees, they don't charge for their copy trader or copying portfolios. Depositing money is free, but if you want to take money out of the platform, it's going to be $5. Conversion fees at 0.5%, which is okay. And there's also an inactivity fee. So if you don't log into your account for over 12 months, they will start taking $10 a month. So from a fees point of view, it's pretty good. So let's bring it all back and see how eToro did. So here's the list of criteria, and it's a bit of a mixed bag. So when it came to the range of products, I actually really, really like eToro. The fact you can buy stocks there, the American stocks, the ETFs, you can buy commodities, you can buy cryptocurrencies. The range of products is excellent. Now, I had to dig through the website because I couldn't find how much you were going to be insured for. In fact, I had to contact customer service, and when they got back to me, unfortunately, your money is only insured up to 20,000 euros per account. So this is really, really small. In the UK, typically it's 85,000, and in America, it's typically $500,000. So 20,000 euros was a big nail in the coffin for me. I can use it to build up a small portfolio, but I can't use this as a serious investing platform. Just note, for people in America, your cash balances are insured up to $250,000, so that's okay. Tax efficient. So there's no tax wrappers. You can't use an ISA account, a Roth IRA account. So you'd have to do it not in a tax efficient way. The fees were great, no problems with the fees, very low, all good. User experience, the platform is great. It's really easy to use, really easy to buy and sell, no complaints there. The fractional shares it does offer, you can buy and sell in multiples of about $50, which is great. You can't transfer in or out portfolios. The customer service was okay, not great, but I have had everything replied to. And the refer a friend program is not great either. They do have a tab for it, but there's no incentives for either party. And I've struggled to join their affiliate program. So overall, eToro is going to suit a small investor. If you've only got a few £1,000s or dollars, then eToro is going to be fine. If you want to build over many years a big portfolio into the hundreds of thousands, because of the insurance point, unfortunately, it's not a legitimate platform. So there you are, guys. That was my honest review of eToro. eToro's range of products is excellent. The platform is really easy to use, which is great. The fees are really good, which is great. But if they're only going to insure my money up to 20,000 euros, I can't use it as a legitimate investing platform, which sucks. It really is very disappointing. I'm still looking for the platform that meets all the criteria, so if you think you have it, then let me know. For now, if you liked anything in this video, be sure to click that like button. It would be much appreciated, and every like does help. If you haven't yet subscribed, be sure to join us. I do have some great videos coming up that you don't want to miss. And let me know, what do you think about eToro? Or do you have an investing platform which meets all criteria? If so, let me know in the comments below this video. Okay, cheers guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. soon.